What we doing?
We are rigging a chain to the anchor.
All right.
Rope.
So, honey,
Yes.
why do we need chain on the anchor?
Because the chain is what makes the anchor dig in to the bottom. It provides weight in front of it. If you just have a rope tied to it, the rope pulls up off the bottom, pulls the anchor up. If you got chain, it slides, and the anchor digs in. Chain is mandatory.
Mandatory chain on the anchor.
Probably the most common mistake everybody makes.
Put a little bolt in there.
Toss chain is on the anchor now.
Got to tie the rope to it. Oh, it's got a loop in it. Doesn't it? See that?
Hey guys, this is Laurie Gable. My husband Mark and I love sharing our island life adventures and real estate here in the Florida Keys. So if there's any way we could help you or answer any questions about real estate here in the Florida Keys, please give us a call. Today we're going to share with you some fun little excursions you could take down here in the Florida Keys. We're going to share with you our little adventure taking off from Breezeswept Beach Estates on Summerland Key, also known as Summerland. We're going to go out to a little island next to Picnic Island and explore that. And then the next day, we're going to share with you our explorations of a little island called Molasses Key, right off the 7 Mile Bridge near Marathon, Florida. So come take a ride with us.
It's Little Palm Resort.
What we got here? We got some snackage.
Snacks are imperative.
Yeah, wavy lays and spinach artichoke dip.
Yes. You can't get better than that.
In a few minutes, we're gonna, after our snacks, we're gonna go check out this island over here.
Oh gosh, sorry.
That's okay. It's all right. We'll go walk over there and check things out. All right, bottom's kind of muddy here, sandy muddy, but nonetheless, we're gonna ride our floats over here to the island.
We floating.
Kick into the island.
Oh.
Tanner's gonna have to swim fast to get caught up with us.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, baby.
I'm trying. I'm getting my feet stuck. I got sand seashells in my shoes. Seashells in my shoes.
Wow, the struggle is real. I think it's easier to swim.
Look at this dog. He ain't no problem with that.
What'd you find?
Every day is a new beginning.
Oh, let me see,
Every
let me
day
see.
is a gift to hold up high. Everyone has a weight to carry. Everyone has a soul, so let it shine. Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. I will scream from the highest mountain. I will love like there's nothing in my way. I believe in the heart inside me. I believe in the hope that conquers hate. Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes.
Gotta have your floaties, man. Only way to get back. So got my floaty. Gonna float back out here. Dang, looks like the boat population has increased up there. I'll walk as far as I can before I get in all the mushy stuff, and then I'm gonna get in my float. I'm paddling out here in this super shallow water, like I can feel the seagrass. I can feel the seagrass on my knees, but the sand is so mushy that it's really hard to walk in. So we've all opted for paddling back into the boat rather than trying to walk, except for my dear husband, who doesn't mind those things creepy like that. Look at baby getting it.
Aren't you proud, baby?
I am so proud. I love our little pontoon boat and our little adventure here. I love all our adventures. Remember how we had the blue rope on it before? We could do that. Yeah.
All right.
Yay. Skipper, what do you think? Skipper being a water dog. Go, Skipper, go. We always do. Running through the fire like it's win or lose. Do or die. It's me and you. Always stay together. Yeah, you know it's just the way that we do.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah?
I don't know if
What's
you can
this?
see it. It's the drone.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Dancing on the ceiling, got a smile and a feeling, no, I might be getting carried away. There's a cool breeze blowing, about to follow where it's going, yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Oh my, not a cloud in the sky, in a tippy-toe state of mind. Moving side to side, a little off time, everything is feeling alright. Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Let's have a real good time. Isn't it amazing when your heart starts racing, cause you're laughing with somebody you love? I heard a little birdie saying you ain't gotta worry, let's sing it at the top of our lungs. Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Let's let's have a real good time. Hands up, enjoy the ride. Oh my, not a crowd in the sky, in a tippy-toe state of mind. Moving side to side, a little.
If you do come over here, just be respectful.
Yeah. Pick up your trash. Don't leave a mess. Leave it better than you found it. Pick up somebody else's trash. It's a really cool spot. This is low tide, starting to rise, but low tide was probably, I don't know, 2 hours ago, and it's rising from here. So we had to pull the boat up as close as we could so that we don't have to swim to get our boat back out when we leave. But one thing I will say, when you come down here and want to do this hanging out on the little islands and things that you find around Marathon and the lower keys, probably in the upper keys too, wear some type of water shoes to protect the bottom of your feet. We did find glass on one of the islands yesterday, and we have a lot of seagrass and shells and broken particles and random things that wash up in hurricanes that have just kind of been placed here by nature accidentally, and well, man to begin with, and then nature. So anyway, wear your shoes, protect your feet, and don't walk next to crab traps because they could have nails sticking out of them. Lesson for the day.